Let's look at this question. It says calculate the power on the tension and a tension. The tension on a slack side of the back belt is 600 Newton, and the ratio of the tension is T1 over T2 is 2.5, and belt moves at 15 meters per second. So you have two tension on the belt. Maybe you have a driver and a driven belt. So this side it will have a higher tension because it it have it pull more force, and this side it will be lower like this. So this side is T1, this one is T2. So T1 is greater than T2 because of the tension. The tension here on top is greater than this one because it's the one that pulls. So if the wheel rotating like the pulley rotate like this one will be tighter this side, this one will be slacking side. So T1 is greater than 2. So if they say T2 is equals to 600, T2 is the slacking side. So you have a ratio here, and also you have the velocity of the belt. So the velocity is how the belt moves is 15 meters per second, and then they give you the ratio between the two tension, the tension on top and the bottom one, which is T1 over T2 is equals to 2.5. So if it is 2.5, you can say T1 cross multiply this T with the 2.5, we'll have 2.5 T2. So you'll multiply this 600 by 2.5, and then what is the answer? It's 1500 Newton on the tight side. So this is how the difference between these two is. So the mission is to calculate the power on the tension. So we have power, which is equals to higher tension minus the slack side, the tighter tension minus the slack side. So we have something like 1005 and 600 here, and then you will multiply by this is the same as force. So it's the difference between the two, the force here, and then the velocity is 15, and then you will have something like 900 multiplied by 15. So we will multiply the 900 by 15 and then find out this 13.5 kilowatts. This is how we will calculate the power. When you have T1 and T2, just have to, if you're given a ratio, and then you have to know which one is the slaking side and the high tension side, and use their ratio and then multiply both the force and the velocity, and then get your power. Thank you.